Welcome. In front of me is an iPad Air 2020, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card into the device. So to get started, we'll need the SIM ejector. I have one right here. It comes with the device, so you can get it from the box, or you can use a paper clip to straighten out one of the ends. And the tray is located on the same side where you have volume keys, so if you're holding it upright, it's going to be on the right side at the bottom. So let's pop it open. You can see that it kind of popped out, and from here, once you take it out, you have space for only one SIM card. So let's insert it like so, and then while holding it securely, insert it back into the device. If you have some kind of pin on the SIM card, you will need to confirm it. There we go. So wait, I think I kind of canceled it. Let me quickly do that again. Stop it. There we go. Now I confirmed it. In any case, I think this SIM card is just not functional, but that is basically how you would insert it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.